Welcome to the IT 662 computer assembly tutorial. Here's a sample of a completed computer system. Viewed here is a collection of tools used in the computer assembly. Due to its awkward size, the motherboard should be the first computer component inserted. After the power supply placement, position it firmly between the motherboard and the outer casing. When installing the graphics card, be sure to install your docking bay first. After installing your docking bay, proceed with graphic card installation. After installing your graphics card, please proceed with memory installation. Viewed here is your central processing unit, also known as the CPU, and should be installed with great care. After installation, securely lock your CPU into place. Pictured here is the CPU coolant unit. First, clamp heat shield into place, then attach the coolant bracket. After installation of the coolant bracket, carefully and firmly place the coolant unit into place. As diagrammed here, insert hard drive into hard drive bay. Next, connect any and all internal cable or wires to the hard drive. Viewed here is the optical drive. Insert optical drive into optical drive bay, then lock into place. Next, connect any and all internal wires or cable to the optical drive. Enhanced here is a view of all installed components and cabling. Good job, team. Good job.